everyone, I am Rutuja and welcome back to Middleware Techie. In the previous video, we were learn about the request reply using HTTP adapters. So in this video, we are going to learn about the request reply using SOAP adapter. So for the SOAP adapter, we are using a calculator web services, and these services are also available in the web browsers publicly. And the calculator web services allows client to perform basic operations like addition, subtractions, multiplications and division remotely via SOAP request. And it is commonly used for learning, integration testing and automating simple calculations in software systems. So for this web service, just go to the browser. I am sharing one link, and this link I already shared in the description section, so you can go through this. So for this, just copy the link and paste it in the browser. And here we can find one WSDL file. So just right click and save this file. I already saved this file, so just give it an extension as WSDL instead of XML and save it. Then with this calculator web services, we also use one SoapUI. So SoapUI tool is basically used for testing and debugging SOAP and web services, and it also allowing users to inspect, invoke and automate API interactions. So how to download that tool? So for that, just go to the browser and here just type SoapUI and go to the first link. And here you can find SoapUI open source. So just click here and download this SoapUI. I am already downloaded this SoapUI, so I am just going here and select this SOAP and here initial WSDL. So just browse the WSDL which we recently downloaded. My WSDL is in E section, so I'm just going here and just clicking it. And after that, here the project name, I'm just giving the project name as calculator demo and OK. So here you can find all the operations which is required for our calculator demo are present here, that is add, divide, multiply and subtract. And if we go inside that operations, then you can find the request. If you click here, then you can find the code related to SoapUI, and here also you can find we require to add the operations and the number for that particular operations. Then after that, go to the integration flow. Here I am already creating one integration flow, name it as a calculator web service using SOAP. So go here. Then edit the flow first. Then after that, select sender as HTTPS. Go to the configurations and add the address here as request reply SOAP. Then go here, select external call as request reply and paste it here. Then after that, drag this receiver below this request reply and just select receiver as a SOAP. I am selecting the receiver as SOAP, and here you just require to select the SOAP 1.x. Then go to the configurations, go in the connection section, and here we require to add the address. So for the address, go to our SoapUI and here is our address. Just copy it and paste it here. Then after that, here you can find the URL to WSDL. So just select it, upload from file system, and here upload the WSDL. So here you can find, so firstly we create the add operation. So for that, just select the add, and here we get all the info related to that. So just we require to add the authentication as none because this service is publicly available, so no authentication for that. And as I am not passing any values or any payload, So I'm just creating one message mapping here. So just select the message mapping and create it as soap. So request reply. And create it. Then here add the source message as calculator WSDL, and we are adding here the add operation. Then go to the target message. Here also select the calculator WSDL and select the add message. Then here we require to add the constant to our variables. So assign constant. Here I am just giving the constant value as 100, and for the second variable assign constant, and here I am just giving value as 200. So just check it once that our constant values are adding or not, and after that OK. So now our calculator web service using SOAP are ready. So just save it and deploy the flow. So our flow is successfully deployed. Then after that, go to the monitor section. In the integrations and APIs, click here, and here we require our endpoint. So for that, just refresh, and here is our endpoint. Just copy the endpoint, and after that go to the Postman, and here required to add a new request. So just add a new request from here. Give it a name as calculator web service. Using SOAP. Then after that, paste the URL that we copied from BTP suite. After that, go to the authorization, and here select the basic auth, save and send. And here we can find our final output as 300, as we passing the variable values at 100 and 200, so it just adding that value and pass it here as 300 as a result. So as like that, you can use for division, you can use for multiplication, you can use for subtractions. So as like that, we are using our request reply using SOAP. And if you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe to Middleware Techie. Thank you so much.